Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're tackling the issue of how to fix Windows time not syncing step by step. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech solutions. Step 1. First, to address Windows time not syncing, right-click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 2. In the Settings window, locate and click on Time and Language. This section is where you manage your date, time, and regional settings. Step 3. Within Time and Language settings, click on Date and Time from the options listed on the left-hand side. This will take you to the settings related to date and time configuration. Step 4. Now, under the Date and Time settings, find the section labeled Synchronize Your Clock. Click on the button that says Sync Now to initiate an immediate synchronization attempt with the time server. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you resolve the issue of Windows time not syncing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips and tech insights.